People, this is Hellfish Fishing, and today I'm at the Wawea tournament. And so far, I registered to try to get a prize. I'm here right now. I have two tip-ups, 2 rods with me, 3 holes, and this nice ice shack. So, if I catch a fish, I'll just show you guys the fish, and because I don't have a GoPro or anything like that, I can't show you really anything about the reeling. But if I had a contraption, I would. But let's hope for the best. And if you guys want to see all the people that are here, that's all the people. There's so many. There's some people behind me. They're right over there. Ugh, slushy. And here are the meaners. I'll show you guys one. Look at that meaner. Say hi, Chub. He's staring at you guys. Look at that chubby. Say hi. Bye. So there's the bait. Let's wait and see if we can catch a fish from that. And whoops. Okay, this is what you get for skipping a tournament and just going to your friend's house.
Just throw it on the ice.
Man.
Wait, no.
Damn, son! What you think, boys?
I want to eat it.
Yes! Jesus.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, try one-handed with this thing. Jeez.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, look at these two. Come here. Fish, open up your mouth. Really? Another bluey. You got one! A little one.
Baby boogie. Can't wait for me.
Hey, I got a bigger one though.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Why? Well, let's see if we can get another one. We got a crappie. Hey, yo, chill. Chillax. Oh yeah.
Just small.
Say hello, my friend. Yes, peace. There's my brother.
Kind of gay.
Say hello to my little friend.
No.
Yes. Say hello to my little friend. Yeah.
Who's your little friend?
Oh, say bye-bye to this fishy.
Bye.
Boy, he's still there. Another crappie, guys. Boy! Look at this beautiful fish.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Buster! Well, I know you like this kid.
Hey.
This fish loves you. Kiss.
I'm gonna murder you. Tastes like cherries.
Say that again.
Tastes like cherries.
Hey, come here closer.
No.
Say it.
Cherries.
Everybody say hi. Say bye. Kiss.
Frick you.
Buster! Oh! I feel bad for you. Don't be a demon. Oh! Video, and please thank this guy right here, Colton Connor. Thank him for letting me come to his pond. We originally went to the Liga tournament, which did not go as planned.
It
so
sucked.
badly. So we decided to come here, which turned out better. Get a whole ton of
2 crappies and about 15 million bluegill.
And only one thing hit a tip up, which we did not get.
sadly.
Yeah.
I think it
This guy has a hypothesis that the huge chub it's a
was
chub.
at least a 2-pounder in there.
This thing, minnow this big, pulled the line and causing the tip of the go up. I'm guessing he said.
Yeah.
We were thinking of that, but who knows? Maybe it was a fish, maybe it wasn't. So, we'll see you guys in the next video.